This 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee L is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by washer four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded V6 3.6 in an L 220 engine, and has 27,181 miles. Explore the road ahead in a like-new 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee L adventure awaits. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.